Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Chop up your bocconcinis. Depending on the size of the bocconcini, cut up smaller bocconcinis in half and cut up larger bocconcinis into quarters. Get out your chicken and put it onto a chopping board. Season your chicken with salt and pepper. Cracked pepper works best. Move your chicken thigh fillet so that it makes more of a square shape. This will make rolling it up easier. Top your chicken with bocconcini. Use enough bocconcini that it fills around 3/4 of the space. I'm using small bocconcini, so I'm putting 4 halves on my chicken. Now put basil leaves on top of your bocconcinis. 1 to 2 basil leaves is enough. Roll up your thigh fillet. Make sure that none of the ingredients slip out. Now get out a slice of prosciutto and put it onto your chopping board. Put your chicken onto one end of the prosciutto slice. Roll up your parcel again so that the prosciutto gets wrapped around the chicken. Secure the parcel with toothpicks. Turn your fry pan onto medium heat. Pour the olive oil into the fry pan. Allow the oil to heat up. Put your parcels into the warm oil. Allow your parcels to cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until golden brown. Turn over your chicken parcels. Allow them again to cook on their side for around 2 to 3 minutes. Continue to turn your parcel until all sides are golden brown. Prepare your baking tray by lining it with baking paper. Now that your parcels are golden brown, put them onto the prepared baking tray. Open up your oven and put your baking tray with the parcels on it into the oven. The parcels need 15 minutes to cook. Now that your parcels are in the oven, you can start on your salad. First you have to peel your cucumber. Start with cutting off the ends and then peeling off the skin. Now slice up your cucumber. Now put your sliced cucumber into your salad bowl. Now it is time to cut up your tomato. First, cut your tomato in half and then slice into thin pieces. Now pick up your slices of tomato and put them into your salad bowl. Now get your salad mix and put it into your salad bowl. Pour your French dressing over your salad. Mix your salad so that the dressing gets evenly spread. Now that it has been 15 minutes, open up your oven. Take out your bocconcini parcels. Now it is time for plating. Take out your parcel and put it onto a chopping board. Before you can start cutting the parcel up, remove all of the toothpicks. Slice up your parcel. You should get around 4 slices. The first thing you want to do when plating your dish is taking out some salad and making a bed of salad on your plate. Now top your salad bed with your chicken parcels. Bon appetit!